Hello everyone and welcome to another video here on Jurassic Collectibles. Tonight we are looking at this awesome big box of Jurassic toys from my buddy Conorontology. Connor is an awesome friend. He has hooked me up with so much cool stuff recently, so please do check him out, pop him a follow on Instagram and get yourself a Jurassic friend like Connor, because he really has helped me with a lot of stuff. So this is a very, very exciting box of goodies. You can be very gentle with opening it. Connor was essentially selling a bunch of old Jurassic toys, Kenner figures, Hasbro figures, and I kind of turned around and thought, do you know what? They'll make a couple of interesting videos on Jurassic Collectibles. I'll take all of them. So I picked up everything he was selling, really. And in this box, there's one item that's not in here that I'm going to pick up when I next see him in person. But in this box, we have a bunch of cool classic Jurassic stuff and also modern Jurassic stuff. So I'm going to get it all out. We're not going to take a particularly close look at it today, just because I'd like to save that for another sort of classic showcase video on the channel, purely because I really enjoyed working on the last sort of classic Jurassic showcase video that we did on the channel. So let's pop the focus on and let's take a closer look at what's in here. And up first we have got one of the Jurassic World Ceratosaurus figures. You can see we've got the battle damage on the side, does light up when it's got batteries in it. Looks awesome. I'll keep going because, like I say, we'll do a longer video at a later date. We have got a JP3 Spinosaurus figure. Looks again awesome. I am so hyped about this box, guys. We have got so a lot of this is JP3. This is awesome stuff, Connor. Thank you. We have got a battle damaged Triceratops. That one actually has a rubberish feel to it as well. We have got classic Jurassic Park. Wow. The classic Triceratops. We have got, oh man, this is cool. This is just cool from a nostalgia standpoint. The Stegoceratops. Awesome stuff. And then if we keep going deeper, we have more in here, guys. Oh my god. Connor, I genuinely forgot how much I bought off of you. Wow. We have got... Oh my god. The classic rubber Jurassic Park T-Rex. Complete with the little removable battle damage. Man, this is so cool. You can see it just slots straight back in there. I'm really sorry, guys. This is not going to be a classy video. I'm just freaking out. We have got... This is freaking cool. The Pachycephalosaurus from JP, I assume the Lost World, I would assume. We have got a Dilophosaurus, as you can see just there. Looks great. We have got another Dilophosaurus, which is the rubber squirting one. Already have one of these thanks to my good friend Joseph. Awesome to have a second one in the collection. You can see just there. Guys, there's so much cool stuff in here. We've got a Dilophosaurus frill, which I think goes on the other figure. Yeah, wow, look at that. That is so freaking cool. Oh my god. we have got a classic JP3 T-Rex. Wowza. You can see there the kind of earthy tones. Again, let me know what figures I've got here in the comments below. I'm not massively familiar with the line, so tell me what I've got. Tell me how lucky I've been with this haul. I would love to know. We have got the Spinosaurus. And oh my god, Connor, there's so much in here. Wow. We have got another Dilophosaurus. This one looks really sweet. You can see just there. That looks so cool. Especially if I move that throw up a little bit. Maybe get it up over the head. That is awesome. Another Dilophosaurus. There's some cool stuff in here. We have got a classic JP Pteranodon in a blue colour scheme. There's so much cool stuff in here. We've got a classic, I believe, a juvenile Rex. You can see we've got some battle damage just there. We have got the little JP Triceratops. There's more in here. The classic Velociraptor. The Dilophosaurus complete with capture gear. Interesting. And then I'm just going to make sure, no, there's one more. This is a juvenile Rex, 100%. Oh wow! Okay, so you've got this juvenile Rex that has like a bone sticking out. Let me get that in focus. That's so cool. If you know more about this play feature, please do let me know in the comments. Oh Connor, there's so much in here. We've got some different bits of capture equipment. We have got the Apatosaurus. And then we also have got some modern stuff. The Hammond Collection Velociraptor. And to top it all off, a box set that came with, oh, there's one more tucked in. We've got what I'm assuming is a Coelophysis. Very, very cool. And then we have got Kayla, Watts, and the Pyroraptor. So, a really, really cool assortment of classic toys in the studio. Connor, thank you so much for these. Absolutely awesome haul. And guys, please do look forward to a better showcase video very soon, where I'll take a closer look at all of the toys in this box and tell you my thoughts on these classic Jurassic toys. Thanks so much for checking this video out. As always guys, like, favourite and subscribe. And until the next video, take care and have a great week.